Me say when my son was about 12 years old, me have one goat. So me tell him say, if you go for the goat. So half an hour pass and me no see him go for the goat. Me say, boy, you know, go for the goat before rain fall. When me dey and concern and think to say the boy go for the goat, me see me phone ring. Me answer the phone. Him say, this is me so and so. Me say, yes. Him say, me have to come down at the police station. When me went down to the police station, before the boy go for the goat was tied behind the house, the boy find time to go down a police station, go report me. Tell the police say, me a mentally abuse him. Tell me what you da do with a child like that.